When we get an invoice from the foreign supplier, we will make supplier invoice with foreign currency. Adding a currency to an invoice is the only difference between domestic and foreign invoice that we got from our supplier. So, how to create this import or supplier invoice from a foreign supplier? Before we create this supplier invoice, we should set an exchange list. An exchange list contains foreign exchange rates. When generating documents with foreign currencies, the software will automatically calculate amounts based on the rates from an exchange list. Now, go to Financial, click Exchange Lists. This is the list of all currencies that you will work with. Click plus to open new raw in the list. Enter desired foreign currency, exchange rate, country. Click Save to save the document. Secondly, if you work with a foreign supplier, you should set tax location too. Let's go to Supplier List. Activate Partner in the list or add a new one. Select Currency. Select Tax Location. Click Save. Go to Purchasing, then Supplier Invoice, click Create, select a standard invoice. Select Supplier. Now, two new fields will be shown from the exchange list. We will enter the number and date of the invoice that you got from your supplier. After that, we will go to Input VAT section and select International Trade from Type menu. Then few new fields will show again. Customs note, date and duty. So if you have customs you will enter all data here. If you do not have customs you will skip this field and go to the deductible VAT and select yes or no. Now, let's put some items. As you can see, we have FX purchasing price. When we enter an amount here, ERPAG will calculate our price in our domestic currency. Let's add some additional expenses, because usually when we have an international trade we have additional expenses such as transportation or some other expenses. To print the document, we will click Print button. When we get the report we can choose now in which currency this report will be. You see? Now, let's see Journal Voucher. As you can see we have values in foreign debit and credit too.